Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, my son will attempt to install this Dryflow Air Filter by AEM in a 2019 Honda Pilot. This filter is easy to install and manufactured in the USA. It's OE specific molding that creates that tight seal in the OEM airbox. It has aluminum wire meshing that helps straightens and smooths airflow to help improve performance. It is washable, reusable, and requires no oil. It's designed to increase horsepower. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave a product link in the description below. And here's my son Isaac, the YouTube mechanic. So first, we are going to unclip 3 clips.
This one, and this one. One's right here.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and unclip those.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and lift up this box.
It's kind of hard.
Yep, go ahead, pull. There we go. Take off the dirty air filter.
Here's the dirty air filter, just to take a look at it.
Then we get the new air filter and go ahead and put it in.
So then you just put it like this. I don't know which way, so. And then you put it back. And then
Okay.
you put it back in. I don't know.
Okay, go ahead.
Hold up. Did I do this wrong? I'm not sure if I do this wrong.
There you go. Then you go ahead and clip it back in. Want me to do
It's
it?
kind of hard. So, I think I got one. Yep.
There goes
I
one.
think. Nope. Yep, got one.
Okay.
Got 2. This one's kind of hard to do. Look at it, I can't even see. But, yeah, it's kind of hard. Kind of hard.
And there's 3.
And then it's done.
And that's all there is to it. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.